go. Did you know that the shadow that can be cast from just one can of beer will severely reduce the efficiency of your solar panel? I'm going to show you why and how you can stop it. A lot of solar panels will lose voltage as soon as even a small shadow passes over the solar cells, but that is not the case with the Baintech solar blanket. You see, this 180 watt solar panel is 18% efficient, where others are between 11 and 15%. Efficiency like that is crucial because, let's face it, it's not likely that you're going to get 8 to 9 hours of clear sunshine every day. The good thing about the Baintech solar blanket is that it maintains that efficiency in low light conditions. And I love that I can pack it up to a size about that of a laptop. All right, there you go. Not bad for 180 watts under your front seat, but don't forget just how durable these things are. They're meant to be folded up, packed into small spaces, taken all over Australia, and then laid out to soak up the baking sun for day after day after day. Not only is the Baintech solar panel lightweight, portable and powerful, but it's also durable enough to last on every single one of your trips away. But don't forget, there's also a range of Baintech foldable solar panels that are lightweight and really efficient.